Hi guys and welcome to Carflix. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change a front bumper on a 2010 Peugeot RCZ. If you want to know how to jack the car up safely, because the chassis on these cars are really low, then just look up my other video on how to jack the car up. Now on this particular video you'll notice that the front wheels are off, and that's because it's just a lot easier to take the front wheels off before you take this thing off. You can do it just with the wheels fully locked, but it's a little bit trickier. So without further ado, let's crack on with that video. So the first thing you want to do is you want to undo 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 bolts off the bottom, which attaches it to this under tray here. So start undoing those screws first. And if you're wondering what it is, that is a T20. Once you've undone those, you're going to come round to here. You need to undo these here with just a flathead screwdriver. You just pop them in there and they should wiggle out. There's one here, and one here. You don't need to remove them all, just so you can get your arm in there. We're also going to disconnect the connector for the lights. Once you've undone those, you can then pull this back, and then there's a connector just there. Just that in, and pull that down. On this side, obviously, these three, pull it back and remove the top light. Next, we're going to tap these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of these, and you just pull these up with a screwdriver. And then we've also got a staff, and that's a 20 as well, could be wrong. And then we've also got some 8mm bolts here, 3 of those which we're going to undo now. Do that both sides. If you're enjoying this video so far, why not consider liking and subscribing? And this is how you get these out. You put a flathead in here and pull it out. So once you've got everything off, you want to kind of lift this up, so this comes away like that. Same on the other side, kind of lift up and pull out. And there's a tab here, you just lift that, lift that as well. Push a screwdriver in there, kind of starts to release it, like that, see? Kind of push these down and work them one by one, pushing them down. Right, so just before we get the whole thing off, there's one last connector to remove. That's your parking sensors one just here. I'm going to give that a bit of slack, figure out how to pull that out, remove that. And the other one is just inside this out, which I should have spotted before. But it's looking like you've got another connector here. I'm not sure that's for, but you need to undo this one as well. This was the connector that went to here. I think this is for the parking sensors. So all you do is just a nib, you push and then just pull it down. And now, coming here now, I think, this looks the park of the sensors as well. So I think both your sensors, and it's again, it's just a case of pressing the nib in and allowing that to undo. And with this one, I've actually pulled it off, and then you just lift this tab and it comes off. So there's 2 connectors, one at each side of the parking sensors, and that's your bumper off.
A great success!
Thanks ever so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. See you on the next one.